This week, I'm going to turn this piece of PVC pipe into your own drinking mug. You're going to want to sand this a lot because you don't want your lips getting cut by the PVC. I'm going to start with 220, then I'm going to go all the way up to 600 grit. You're going to want to put it on the lowest setting because if you get too close, then it's gonna melt it, and you don't want that. You just want to barely heat it up enough to sponge. The only thing to do now is to put a bottom in it. I found this little piece of 1/2-inch plywood on the ground. I think I'm just going to use this. You're not going to be able to see the sides, so I think that'll work. hands are sticky. I'm just going to use this piece of plastic to go on the bottom so it doesn't leak too bad, or it doesn't stick to anything. If it sticks to the plastic, I'll just sand it right off. Let's hope this goes good.
The next day.
Plastic did a pretty good job of stopping the resin from leaking out the bottom, and it's fully coated in the bottom, so worked out good. Alright, let's go take us over to the belt sander. Now the only thing left to do is sand it really, really good, and then it'll be done. Thanks for watching this video. I had a ton of fun making this mug, and if y'all like to see more videos from me, please don't forget to click subscribe. We put out new videos every Friday night at 6 o'clock. I'll see y'all then.